students, how are you? This is me, Anam, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the part 3 of the chapter, which is rational numbers. In part 1, I have explained what rational numbers are. In part 2, I have explained how to perform addition of rational numbers. And in part 3, now we're going to discuss the subtraction of rational numbers. Okay. Now, let's have a look at how we're going to perform the subtraction of real numbers. So let's have a look at the case number 1 where we have the same denominators. So when we perform the subtraction of natural numbers, let's suppose we have two numbers like p upon s and q upon s. Now both of them have the same denominator, so we're going to take the denominator as common and going to write the numerators as it is with the subtraction sign in between them. In this case, these two are right now at the moment positive numbers, right? So let's discuss this case with actual fractions. Now, for example, we have 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Since in this case the fractions are same, the denominators are same, we're going to write the denominator as common as it is and write the numerators like this, 1 minus 2. Now in this case, a subtraction is happening between these two numbers, 1 and 2. So we're going to subtract 1 from 2, which is going to be 1, because you can do it as for your own convenience, like 2 minus 1. So it's going to be like 2 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from 2, it will be 1. Denominator will come as it is. Now, the sign will always be put with the answer of the bigger number. Okay, we are always going to put the sign of the bigger number with the answer, right? So the bigger number amongst these two is 2. So the sign of 2, sign that is lying with 2 is minus. So we're going to put minus 1. So here, if we subtract this 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5, we have the answer as minus 1 upon 5. Now, let's discuss with another example. Here, we have three numbers like 8 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9. Okay. So here these two were positive, but it was a subtraction that is being performed in between them. So here we have numbers like 8 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9. The first we're going to open the bracket. So it's going to be 8 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9 minus, when multiplied by minus it becomes positive. So it will be plus 4 upon 9. Since the denominator are same, so we're going to write 9 as a common denominator and write the numerators like this. 8 minus 1 plus 4. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So the answer will be 11 upon 9. Alright, now let's have a look at the case where we have different denominators. Like the denominators of both the numbers are not same, are different. So how are we going to solve it from them? So the first case is that you do cross multiplication. Okay. The numerator of first number will get multiplied by the denominator of the second number like this, ps, and the sign will come as it is, and the numerator of the second number will get multiplied by the denominator of the first number, and in the denominator both the denominators will multiply. So this is the case 1. Let me explain it with the help of an example so that you can understand it well. So let's have an example which is 4 upon 3 minus, we have another digit 2 upon 9. So what will happen? First of all, you're going to open it and it's minus plus 2 upon 9. Okay. So now what happens here is that we have the different denominators. Okay. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply them together, like 4 multiplies with 9 plus 2 multiplied by 3, and 3 is multiplied by 9, right? So 4 9s are 36 plus 6 and 3 9s are 27. 6 plus 36 is 42 upon 27. Since they can be, they are divisible by the number 3, you can divide them. 3 nines are, and 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. That is 14 upon 9. So this is case number 1. Okay. Now the case number 2, I'm going to solve it for the same um, question, which is 4 upon 3 minus 2 upon 9. So in this case, what we're going to do is, we are first going to open it, and then we're going to take the LCM. Okay, LCM is an easier or a quicker way, you can say, if you have 2 or more fractions. Okay, so here we're going to take LCM. So here I'm going to take it LCM because this is the rough side. 3 and 9. Okay, 3 3 1, 3 threes are 9, and 3 comes as it is, 1 and 1. So 3 threes are 9. So the common denominator we have is 9. Okay, so first of all, so now you're going to do is that you're going to convert the denominators into 9. Okay, so what you're going to do is, we have 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 9. So here 3 is not 9, so you're going to multiply it by 3 to make it 9. But to balance the fraction, we have to also multiply the numerator with the same number. Since this is already 9, so you don't have to do anything here. So it will be 4 upon 3 is 12, 4 into 3 is 12, and 3 threes are 9 plus 2 upon 9. And it's going to be common, 12 plus 2, 14 upon 9, which is same as it is. Right? So this is how you're going to do it if you have different denominators. Now let's discuss the case where we have 3 numbers and subtraction is being performed with them. Okay, so this is the example here. 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4 minus into minus 1 upon 8. Okay, so here you can see that the denominators are already different. Okay, so and we have 3 numbers, so cross multiplication is not an option at the moment. So you're going to take an LCM. So first what you're going to do is, you're going to change the sign of this number. You're going to take this number out of the bracket. So first you're going to write it as it is, 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4 minus minus plus 1 upon 8. Now what you're going to do is, you're going to take an LCM for these 3 numbers, 4, 8. So first prime number is 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 fours are 8. Again with 2, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 1, 1, 1. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the LCM is 8. So now what you're going to do is, you're going to convert these denominators into 8. Right? So you're going to write it as it is, 5 minus 2, 3, 4 plus 1 upon 8. So 2 fours are 8. You're going to multiply the numerator with the same number. 4 twos are 8, 3 2, and since it's already 8, you're not going to do anything over here. So here it is, 20 upon 8 minus 6 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. So since now we have all these denominators same, now we're going to take 8 as the common denominator and write the numerators with the signs. So 20 minus 6 is 14, right? So this is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 upon 8. So this is your answer. Okay. So I hope you understand today's video. I'm gonna meet you in the next video, which will be on multiplication of rational numbers. So make sure that you don't miss out that video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.